Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Hello, everyone. I'm very excited to talk to you today because what I'm about to share with you is something that completely changed my life that I believe it can change yours too. It's not just another business tip or success story. Today, I want to talk to you about something called the 6-month success plan that will change your life forever. You see, success is not luck. It's not about being born rich or having special connections. It's about having a plan, sticking to it, and becoming a little bit better every single day. I've met thousands of young people around the world. Some are smart, some are hardworking, but very few are consistent. Consistency is what turns dreams into results. When I was young, I failed many exams. I was rejected from many jobs, even from KFC. But I never gave up because I had a simple rule. Every 6 months, I must become a better version of myself. That's how I built my confidence, my habits, and eventually Alibaba. So today, I want to give you a plan, not for 1 year, not for 10 years, but for 6 months, because 6 months is long enough to change your life and short enough to stay focused. If you follow this step-by-step plan with honesty and effort, you will start to see a completely new version of yourself. First month, build your foundation, discipline, and vision. The first month is about one word: discipline. Without discipline, no dream can survive. Many young people have big dreams, but they wake up late, they waste time, they make excuses. Discipline means you do what you said you would do, even when you don't feel like doing it. When I started Alibaba, I didn't have any money, but I had a vision. And every morning I reminded myself, Jack, your goal is to help small businesses succeed. That vision gave me discipline. In your first month, I want you to build your foundation, your habits, your focus, your morning routine. Do these 5 things every day. 1, wake. Wake up early, even when you don't want to. 2, read something that inspires you, 20 minutes every morning. 3, exercise, not for muscles, but for energy and confidence. 4, plan your day. Write 3 important things to do. 5, reflect at night. What went well? What you learned? What you'll improve tomorrow? This may sound simple, but 95% of people never do it. Success is not about doing big things once. It's about doing small things every day. In this first month, don't try to impress anyone. Don't post about your progress. Work in silence. Build the habits that will make you unstoppable later. Second month, learn and grow. Become a student of life. After discipline comes learning. The second month is about filling your mind with the right knowledge. Remember, knowledge is not power. Applied knowledge is power. When I was teaching English in Hangzhou, I spent hours listening to tourists and reading everything I could find about the world. I didn't have the internet, but I had curiosity, and curiosity is your greatest teacher. In this month, I want you to focus on learning 3 things. 1, learn something new every week, a skill, a tool, or a concept related to your dream. 2, learn from people. Talk less, listen more. Everyone knows something you don't. 3, learn from your mistakes. Don't hide them. Write them down and reflect. You can read books, watch online courses, listen to podcasts. It doesn't matter how, but learn something valuable every day. And remember, successful people never stop learning. Even today, I still learn from young people. If you want to stay ahead, stay curious. By the end of month 2, you should start feeling more confident and capable. You'll see connections between your daily habits and your personal growth. Third month, take action. Start small, but think big. Now comes the most exciting part, taking action. Month 3 is where most people fail. They learn, they plan, they dream, but they never start. You must break that habit. You don't need to be ready. You need to start. When I started Alibaba, I had no experience running a company. I just had an idea and the courage to try. We were 18 people in my small apartment with one computer. We didn't have investors. We only had belief. So in month 3, I want you to start your small project. It could be routes, starting a small online store, creating a YouTube channel or podcast, writing a blog or ebook, selling a small service or product, volunteering or joining a new organization. Whatever it is, start something. Action creates momentum, and momentum builds confidence. Don't wait for perfect timing. If you wait until everything is ready, you'll wait forever. The key is to think big, but start small. You don't need a billion-dollar idea. You just need to start walking toward it. 4th month, build relationships. Find mentors, teams, and partners. Now that you've started taking action, you'll realize something important. You can't do it alone. In month 4, focus on building relationships. No one becomes successful alone. Even I didn't. Alibaba succeeded because I had the right people. Smart, passionate, and loyal. You must find people who believe in your dream, even when others don't. Here's your goal for month 4. 1. Find a mentor, someone who is already doing what you want to do. Learn from them. Ask questions. Listen carefully. 2. Build a team or community, people who share your values and goals. 3. Improve your communication skills. Speak clearly, listen deeply, and connect genuinely. People are the most valuable investment in life. If you learn to work well with others, you can achieve anything. Always remember this. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. 5th month, adapt and improve. Learn from failure and adjust quickly. By 5th month, you'll face challenges. You'll make mistakes. You'll feel like giving up. Good. That means you're growing. Most people quit when they face problems, but champions don't quit. They adapt. In my early days, we failed many times. Our website didn't work, our customers complained, and competitors laughed at us. But every time we failed, I told my team, don't worry, this is our teacher. So this month, learn to analyze your progress. Ask yourself what's working well, what's not working, what can I do differently? Be honest with yourself. Don't protect your ego, protect your growth. Also, focus on your emotional strength. Wake up earlier, meditate, exercise, keep your energy high. Success is not just physical or mental, it's emotional. When you fall, get up fast. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of it. 6th month, lead and give back. Build your legacy. Finally, we reach 6th month, the most powerful month of all. Now you've built habits, learned new things, taken action, built relationships, and overcome failures. It's time to lead and to give back. Leadership doesn't mean controlling others. It means inspiring others. It means helping people see their own potential. Start sharing what you've learned. Mentor someone younger. Help a friend start their journey. Give advice to those who are lost. When you give, you don't lose. You multiply. At Alibaba, our success was never about money. It was about helping millions of small businesses grow. When your mission is bigger than yourself, success follows naturally. So in month 6, ask yourself, who can I help today? How can I use my experience to make others better? When you lead with kindness and purpose, life rewards you in ways you never expected. Conclusion. Your life will never be the same. Now you have the plan. 6 months to transform your life. It's not magic, it's not luck, it's about daily discipline, continuous learning, taking action, building relationships, adapting, and giving back. If you follow this plan with honesty and consistency, I promise you, your life will look completely different 6 months from now. Don't just listen, start today. Start small, stay humble, and never give up. As I always say, if you don't give up, you still have a chance. Giving up is the greatest failure. So, are you ready to change your life? Your 6-month success plan starts now. Thank you, my friends. I believe in you. Now go and make it happen.